The last programming abstraction that we are going to learn is vertex-centric graph processing. This programming model has a lots of similarity with MapReduce. Actually, it leverages the map phases for its computation. So what happens here is the big data set is again divided into small disjoint chunks, and each of these data set is actually fed into some user-defined program which is called vertex program, which is nothing other than map functions in the previous phase. Now, instead of going to the reduce phase, what happens here is the computation that have been performed in these vertices, everything is passed to each other. And all these computational unit which represents a vertex of a graph, it becomes synchronized. And once all the vertices are synchronized, it actually moves to the next phase of computation. And the same process basically keeps on continuing until some certain criteria matches. And this programming model is called vertex-centric graph processing, and it has been revolutionized till its inception. The first phase was like some of the non-intelligent form of graph processing, which is just like some frameworks are called giraffe graphics and all. And after that, in the last few years, there is a huge revolution in the name of deep learning framework. They are also basically a graph processing vertex-centric graph processing framework. Some of the examples are PyTorch, TensorFlow, etc. So these are different forms of big data programming models.